Hey guys, uh, I'm thinking about just quitting YouTube. Um, I actually had enough of it. I don't know, think about it. I'm not getting views and I'm not getting comments, and I put videos up and nobody's looking at them. I think YouTube, I've mucked a lot of YouTubers up. I've been on a long time, and um, I'm doing stupid videos, uh, and I was on aquarium channels, and I said something I wish I never did, and they all unsubbed me. There's one person, and I, I forgive him. Um, he knows not what he does or says as well, and yeah, and um, hey, I've got a job, but today wasn't a good morning. I went to work and the flipping button, because I start at 4 o'clock in the morning, which I don't care because I'm still cleaning. I've worked for this company for years. Well, the button that is on the stupid burglar alarm, I couldn't, wouldn't let me. I pushed it. And I kept pushing it and punching my flipping number in, and I thought, what the hell was going on here? And the lights were blaring, and well, they were left on, and somebody rang up. She was a girl, but and I thought, I don't know what's wrong. See? And I thought, well, why are you ringing anyway? So, to make matters worse, I thought, anyway, I walked into the main door and the burglar alarm went off and it wouldn't stop. I thought, I can't stop this because I can't push the button because it's sticks jammed. I thought, well, I've had this issue before, stuff it. And security guards came around, two came around because they somehow somebody turned it off and it was all back to normal. So what? And they came around and blah 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 blah. Two of them. And then because I cleaned the picture theatre because that needed clean, and sometimes you get sick of it, eh? You get sick of being a cleaner. I'm a good one, and so I did that, cleaned down because I was two and a half hours job. More, And what I did, I went up and did all the things downstairs, and then moved up towards the office. And the door was wide open towards in the office. It was wide open, and lights blaring, like blah blah blah. I thought, somebody's not up here. And the door to the canteen ranch slider was open, so outside. So they left it open all night, This ranch slider to the elements. I mean, security guards useless. If you're securing a building, maybe that's why I couldn't do the alarm. They left it open, wide. Any Tom, Dick, and Harry, if they saw that open, they'd jump it, especially idiots, nutcases. Door wide open. Lucky I was there early. Even the security guards, you call the security guards useless. They're useless. I mean, if you're a security guard, you go and check around the building, ain't that? Well, that was wide open. That stupid place, wide open. Any Tom, Dick, and Harry could go in there. Lucky I was in there. I locked it, mopped the floor, and locked it. I thought, no, you stupid idiots. So I text my boss, no reply. Well, and because I didn't mean to start the stupid burglar alarm, stupid. And I hope they got done. And I tried to ring up Suda, and that rude idiot in reception didn't want to know about it. Well, hey, next time it happens, let them burgle place, because I'm not going to shut it. I'm not going to shut the doors next time. Yeah. So I hate sometimes you get passed off. I mean, I'll go in there and do a job. Hindrance. You don't even need a really new. Nobody's going to break into that place anyway. I mean, God. But yeah, I wasn't happy. And I got a new filter for that tank. And I got a few more fish for the tank. That filter's a bit funny. So, but and last week I sort of made a flood. Yeah, I'm just gonna have a break from YouTube for a bit, I think. You're not really doing anything really. I mean, I put a tree one on, nobody watched it. Uh, I think people just want to watch drama videos. I could have put, but I like video where I work, so I'm good like that. Trouble is, I'm set up for another aquarium as well. So, and I'm 60 this year. I don't know. I just call it quits, I think. Yeah. Even live streams are no good now. I'm never gonna get paid being on YouTube. I don't really want to anyway. No. I mean, nobody's hitting likes, nobody's commenting, and I know a few big channels have just given up the ghost. Matthew got a channel. I think he's in Canada Mirror. He's given up. I think he's nobody's commenting. Nobody's no. And I've been watching stupid channels like slot machines and I there's a guy. I'm a Christian, and he's a guy. It says he's a Christian, and he's a liar, big liar. And he's saying, "Oh, I don't believe in God," and that. And he used to be a minister. What a lie! There's some YouTube is full of people trying to put good stuff on. YouTube wrecked it by putting news channels on, and you're trying to get away from bad news. It's all on YouTube. Well, nobody wants to watch bad. Nobody wants to watch war, and people, war. It's just it's mixed up. YouTube's mixed up. a lot of people go into Rumble, um, and I'm watching Eric No Minute Fanatic, and he's got so many channels after him. It's just unbelievable, and I like Eric, and I've subbed to Eric for a long time, and they're going on about the poor guy. Leave him alone. Um, no minute fanatic. He's a good guy. I think I'm gonna call it quits. Leave a comment down below. I mean, all people that subscribe to me are not don't comment anyway, and I know a lot of Filipinos that don't comment. Yeah, I've had enough. I'm getting tired of it. It's more the things than YouTube. And I like animals, so I love animals, so I've subbed to a lot of animal channels. Um, people, people were nasty to one another. Animals are not. It makes me sick how some of these countries treat animals. And I was watching Discus North, a little article on his courier services. You don't kill his courier services killed all his discus. Now, animal rights need to get onto that company. I told them you need to get onto that company and get them all sacked. Because I got my fish delivered this last week, and he is the same guy that delivered my other fish. Right, now I might not stay on, but there's no point having videos up, having short ones up, doing lives and nobody's watching them. I mean, that Jeff P Aquatics has got. I mean, if you're going to do a live stream, you don't want to make everybody a mod. You've got to have, no, I mean, people doing that. I mean, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. If I sub you, you'll sub me, but you got to watch your videos and I'll watch my videos. That's stupid. I can't follow YouTube full stop. And then, I bumped into a YouTuber and I think he's unsubbed me, but I couldn't find his channel because his channel never showed up. So I couldn't sub to him. But I mean, Kiwi Life's gone. He's had enough of it. David. Yeah, and all one of the channels that were subbed to me have gone. Yeah, so no, I think I'll just pull a plug. See what Seaside Mark did, get rid of his channel. But Seaside Mark's not there, and they're still picking on the guy. Anyway, he's gone, they're still picking on him. He had lots of issues, but hey, at least he had a girlfriend. I haven't, but I've got girlfriends. I think I might just get rid of my channel and get off YouTube. Might go into Rumble. I'll catch you later.